In today's video, I'm testing and reviewing the Fanttik Smart Cordless Screwdriver. This model is the S1 Apex. Just sounds impressive. These Fanttik products are blowing up right now. They're simple, they're sleek, but I've yet to try this one and I'm excited about it. So 3 things to know real quick. 1, I'll be unboxing. 2, I'll actually test the product. And then 3, know that you can find product linked with a coupon code below if you want it. Here we go. Okay, first things first, we're gonna unbox the thing. Sorry if this is boring to you, I'll make it quick. Sleek packaging, and I love the branding with the pop of yellow and black. And then the actual box and carrying case itself are pretty nice. Inside the box, you're getting the S1 Apex screwdriver, and then an obvious array of drill bits here. First thing I want to show you is the angle adjustment button. What's unique to this Fanttik drill is it has 3 angles, 24 degrees, 48 degrees, and 72 degrees. You can change them all with this button on the side. When you click the start stop button, the LED screen displays, and then I'll point out a few things. 1 is the high-low button on the bottom left. This is just the RPM levels of the drill. Any normal drill has a high and low setting. It's pretty standard. Next, you see the battery icon. This is pretty self-explanatory, just telling you how much juice you have. And again, it can be charged in the back right here with this USB-C charger. As mentioned before, there's different torque settings. If you want to change that, you just rotate the knob at the top. And you can see the number changes on the display screen. The button on the bottom right is the screw in and out indicator, essentially forward and reverse. Of course, you can't forget the LED light. This turns on and off automatically. And then lastly, the quick change chuck. Again, this is pretty standard for newer drills as well. Pull out on it, and then you can insert your bit, and you're all set. Let's give it a quick test on a piece of pine that I had in my garage. I'm gonna bring it down to 72 degrees. Take a deck screw that I had with a star bit, screw it in, obviously holds, and then just take it out. And you can see I changed into reverse. Simple as that. I'll put the bit back, lock it back into its initial setting, and then drop it in the box. All right, so there we go. The Fanttik S1 Apex. A quick and simple short review and test. My overall thoughts, this is a perfect drill for keeping in the cabinet at your house where you can get it out to put in a picture frame, take apart a blender or something. Would I construct a house with this? Or even a fence like the box says? Probably not, but overall, awesome product. And I just love the overall sleek design, things like the packaging, the ability to angle the drill, even silly things like the fact that these are magnetized and how compact it is. It's been tested and reviewed, quality product. Link and coupon code are below if you want to pick one up. Thanks for watching, until next time, see you later.